The second part of your question, is there any point in making content before your offer is dialed in? Absolutely. I would start making content yesterday. Like if I was starting a business, the very first thing I would do is start making content. In fact, if you were to look at my leverage brand, I have this arrow model: audience, relationship, offer. Audience and relationship are before offer for a reason, because if you have an audience and you've developed a relationship with that audience through your content, offers are easy. I mean, they really are. You don't have to be a genius in how you're structuring your offer. You don't have to be a genius in like putting up the perfect converting, sales page. And, do I need to have orange buttons or green buttons and split test 6,000 factors to try and get it to convert from 4% to 5%? You don't need any of that if you have an audience that you have a relationship with. And the way that's developed today primarily is content. So yes, let's say that your offer is, in the agency space, and you're generally going after restaurants, but you're not exactly sure how you're going to package up your services and stuff like that. You should still be able to dial in on a few key themes, right? And create content around those themes at kind of a high level so that you are able to attract people. You're able to start creating that foundation, that organic content foundation that I talked about, and having a track record out there. Not to be disrespectful or anything, but how many marketing agencies or people who would like to be marketing agencies aren't doing any marketing? And then they wonder why their own sales are a struggle, and yet you're going out to other businesses and you're saying, hey, I can help you grow more and get more sales by doing marketing, but then you're not doing marketing, right? I mean, marketing leads the way to sales, particularly in today's world. 15 years ago in my career, I would tell you it's sales first, marketing second, especially for smaller businesses. If you're a big Fortune 500 brand with huge budgets, okay, marketing first, then that drives sales. You're a small business just hustling. We were just a sales business. We were just picking up the phone and just cold calling and asking for money. Hey, would you buy my thing? Would you buy my thing? Would you buy my thing? Right? Once the world changed to being social content, search engine content, but particularly social content, it changed. Prospects now have all the information. They have all of the ability to search and evaluate you versus your competition without ever having to get on the phone with you, without ever having to hear your pitch. So if you're not putting anything out there, particularly if you're a marketing agency, if you're not putting anything out there for somebody to look at and go, oh, look, these guys are doing marketing, right? They understand marketing. They are eating their own dog food, right? It makes sales very, very difficult. So I would start publishing content day one.